a free traffic cache machine. The free traffic cache machine is a course that I just created and launched, and you can sign up for this at freetrafficfunnel.com. And today I want to talk about like what kind of software that you can use to build your own free traffic cache machine. So in this review, I will compare more specifically Systeme.io and Kartra. And I think we all can agree that Clickfunnels is way too expensive and way too limited for most people, especially if you're just starting out. So let's jump right into this. So don't use Clickfunnels. And now I will show you the different software tools. Right now, I'm building my funnel on Systeme.io, which is an all-in-one marketing software, to launch your business. And what I really like about this software is that it's super easy to use, and the pricing is basically impossible to beat, especially if you compare it to Kartra or to ClickFunnels. So if we have a look at their pricing here, we can see that you can get started for just $27 in the startup mode, or even their more expensive version is $47, and it's super great software and super easy to use. For this, let's jump into my account. Currently, I've never used this software before, but I really like the simplicity. And especially if you're just building your first online product or your first online course, I think this is a really good choice. It has some similarities to ClickFunnels. As you can see here, you can build different pages and build your funnel in order, and then you have your own affiliate program, and can promote the software as well. You can have it has a blog functionality that I do not use. I typically still use WordPress. And but it's really great to build simple funnels like this. For example, right now I'm here. This is a page I'm working on, where this video will be published later on. And as you can see, it's really easy and it's fast to use. So this is the page in the building mode. And as you can see, it's really easy, straightforward to use, really fast to use, and this is what I really like about the software. So here you see, let's save the changes and go to the dashboard again. So you can configure everything. You can, if we have a look at my in my opt-in page, here we have different statistics. I do not have any sales right now, but I have 50 people opting into the free traffic cache machine, which is pretty great. And then I'm sending out emails every day. And so it's really great. I just started using it a couple of days ago, but I think that the pricing is basically unbeatable. If we compare this to Kartra, which is my other software, the software that I typically use to run everything in my business, this is more for professional people and complete businesses. So if you already have a successful business, coaching business, or you're not happy, or you just want to introduce online marketing, I think Kartra is an amazing solution. It's a little bit more complex, but what I really like about Kartra is their new onboarding process. It will guide you through everything. Let me just put this here so you can see it. So it will guide you through everything with a checklist. So because it's much more powerful than Systeme.io, it has a tighter learning curve, or a steeper learning curve, but you can configure everything. It comes with much more detailed analytics. So for example, if we have a look at the sales from my Pareto summit, and I will just set this to all time, and then you see it has really detailed analytics for every part of your funnel, and really great statistics, and everything is like really smooth and works really well together. if you compare it, it takes a little bit time. So for example, if I would go in here to make changes to my marketing sequence here, then everything takes a little. Oh, this is my list. If I go to the sequences here, everything takes a little bit more time to get where you want to build anything. So if I jump right in here and launch the sequence builder, it just takes some time to load. And especially during this crisis, I think it's there's a lot more clicks involved. And if we compare this to Systeme.io, where I would just go to emails and then to set up a newsletter, and then I'm just here, I copy and paste, and this is just much faster than in Kartra. But in Kartra, you have many more abilities to edit different steps, set up A/B testing, and complete complete funnels that are customized depending on what kind of pages or sections of a page you want to take people to. And this was really great when I launched my Pareto Summit, and which is a quite complicated funnel. So if you want to use a more complicated funnel, then I highly recommend Kartra, because it offers all the flexibility that you could ever think of, whereas Systeme.io is much more limited. So for my free traffic cache machine, what I'm working right now, it's for me enough to use Systeme.io, and this is what I'm currently teaching people. That means I just have simple pages like this one, where I just have a video that I upload, that I record live here on Facebook, and that I then upload to YouTube, and then with some kind of link below the video. So this is my review. And another great software that I really like and that I just started recently is GroovePages. And GroovePages is currently still in beta. It's built by Mike Filsaime, who created Kartra in the first place together with Andy Jenkins. And this is probably the best software deal that you can have if you're looking for a Kartra alternative, because for basically $500 you will get the page builder, but it also comes with an upsell that is insane. Basically, for $1,000 more, you get access to a complete email solution like ActiveCampaign. You get access to GrooveSell, and also to Webinar Groove, or Groove Webinar as it will be called in the future. And this is basically everything that you will have in ClickFunnels. It's much better. Everything that you will have in Kartra and Webinar Jam for lifetime pricing. And they're just making this to get beta testers for their software. So this will not be available that much longer, because they officially launch in June, and Mike Filsaime told me that they will definitely stop this offer a couple of weeks before they launch. So this is currently let's have a look at the page that I built in GroovePages. You see it's really, really nice page, and I offer bonuses no matter what software you use. So I'm offering all the recordings from the Pareto Summit if you choose to sign up for any of these softwares. And this is probably the best training that you can get on online marketing as well. There was I interviewed so many people like Mike Filsaime and all other people, John Lee Dumas, so many 2 Comma Club winners from ClickFunnels, from the Kartra community, and now of course from GroovePages as well. So if we want to jump to a conclusion here, I would say that Systeme.io is really the most budget friendly system. Let's jump to the page here. It costs only Yeah, it's the pricing is just unbeatable. It's for this price, getting a complete software funnel solution without any integration headaches. If you want to build like any funnel, it's this is just really great. And if you want to get up to speed, and speed of implementation is one of the most important things in your online business, I highly recommend this software. However, if you plan to do something more professional, kartra.com/plans. Let me see if this works. So the Kartra is a little bit more expensive. It costs around like $100 to get started, but it includes so much more than Systeme.io, because you'll have not only amazing landing page builder, like the templates are much better in Kartra than in Systeme.io. Systeme.io is still pretty limited, but their system is basically built. They're profitable. They're a profitable company, and they do not rely on paid advertising. And this is a little bit different for Kartra, which was built by Andy Jenkins and Mike Filsaime, and now is run by AJ Roberts, who's like, all of them are direct response marketing gods, more or less. So this is a complete funnel, a business solution to run your whole business on this, to build your complete business online. And it includes memberships, calendars, help desk. You can host videos there, and basically everything that you would need. And with Groove Pages, you will get everything that you will see in Kartra, but for a lifetime price. And that's what I like about Groove Pages. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment, and let me know what kind of funnel building software you use. And of course, just go to freetrafficfunnel.com if you want to sign up for this for this online course. Have a great day and stay safe.